Hello guys, welcome to Wolf Quest. And today we're gonna play as one of my wolves, Stonia, which has a litter of pups. Sorry if you sorry if you can hear the little air vent. Now let's get started. Yeah, the puppies. Okay, puppies. Puppies in here. What does that music mean? Oh, it's a coyote. Trying to sneak in my den, huh? Trying to be slick. Not gonna get my puppies. And dead. And okay, guys, today I'm gonna go to the summer hunting ground. Okay, now I need to feed them. I'm protecting them. Time to feed my puppies some delicious elk, which I don't have. Go hunting. Got to go hunting. Let's just take a look at a puppy. Oh, Gravel's playing with them. I have two golden children. The tan ones, right there. Knight and Luke are my golden children. Who's playing? I guess I just messed up their playing by shoving them. I'm such a bad mom, don't you think? No? Okay then. I was just about to leave the stupid den. A freaking coyote. This day has gotten even better! I want to rip the coyote's face off. Whee! Die, coyote. You must die. If you don't die, you'll kill my puppies. Every single one of my puppies. You kill some carcasses over here. What carcasses? You can't kill a carcass. You can kill an elk, but not a carcass. Sniffing. Guys, I'm trying to not make this video too long. So yeah. Up, there's Elkhart. Gotta go in the front because that's where all the weak ones are at. Because if you go in from the back, you don't see me. Thank you. You're a prey. You should see kinda all the way around or something. I don't know. I don't know if elk can see all the way around. I do know horses can. Fun fact. You stopped when I stopped. Come back here, you stupid little elk. You're not little. You have long skinny legs. Not skinny as a moose though. Come here. I want to kill you. I've even made a single bite. Till now, my game is so laggy. It only lags once it's on. I mean, what I'm saying, once it's auto-saving. I mean, it's just auto-saving. Andy, you lag. Stop. Gravel, you're chasing it the wrong way. What am I saying? I want it over here. I want it over here. Not over there, where the water is, but over here. Over here. Come on, Miss Elk. Which is very stupid and very fast for some reason. Such a stupid elk. I can even catch up to it, guys. I mean, I can. It just takes a while. Chase you over here. Yeah, that's probably one. Not that elk! What a stupid little elk! What type of elk would run straight in front of a predator? That will give the predator opportunity to bite it. And Yeah. Yay! Where's my pups? Which are starving eventually. Mwah. Attack! Hurry! The puppies are freaking starving. Eat, yeah. Eat. Eat. Eat, Stonia, eat. Eat like you never ate before. Ravel's eating like he never ate before. There you go. I almost took out the whole carcass. Wow. Please tell me what I'm talking about. My pups and I are going to leave very, very soon. Oh, I'm actually surprised. That is not a freaking stranger wolf. And maybe wondering why I'm not marking my territories, because I only want to do this when it's almost time for the move. I mean, since it's almost time for the move, you don't. Oh shoot! Night. Sorry guys, I can't talk right now. Puppies are freaking starving. You're starving. I'll feed you. Gravel, feed the puppies. My little wanderer. Now it's time to go to the cattle ranch, but first I'm actually gonna halfway fill up on food. You may be wondering why I'm going to do that, but the reason why is because, like, if your food is like low or something, then it will take really long to eat that whole little cow. And the longer you stay, oh shoot. Well, well, never mind. I can handle it. I didn't mean to, like, I'm at halfway, but I ate a bit too much, so, yeah. I mean, one bite of that little tiny baby, and I'm full, and you just run on home. I'm sure my puppies are going to starve and start walking away soon. Come on, Ravel, let's go to the River of Death. It's death. You may be wondering why I call it the River of Death. It's because puppies drown in it when it's really freaking deep. And I don't want my puppies to starve, so yeah. When starve, I mean drown. I'm messing up on my words. Come on, Gravel. Groovel, or whatever. Visit the ranch. Yeah, guys. Once I'm, like, done with the cattle ranch, I'm gonna end this video. I just don't want it to be long for some reason. Where? Probably is gonna be long because I can't find the freaking cat. It's gonna jump in there and see where. Aha. Okay, run. Go. Go, there's dogs. Go, it's freaking down. Come on, hurry up. If you guys can hear me, then good. If you guys can't, bad. Very bad. Because I want you guys to hear me talk. And my very first video, the reason why I didn't talk is because, well, I'm shy eventually. So yeah, don't deal with it. I'm shy. Some videos I'll talk, some I won't, because I'm a very shy person, okay? Very, very shy. And glitching up on the thing. Why? Puppies, I'm coming to feed you. Any stranger will lose that, because I'll be very, very happy. That's actually a stupid thing to say. I'll be very, very happy when there's stranger wolves there. That's very stupid. Even though I guess I just want the XP. How much? What rank am I at right now? Oh, still a young hunter. Shut up, little bears, even though you're so cute. Dun, 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 dun. Rooks. Rookies, the rookies are coming for us. 8. I'm gonna guess there's a stranger wolf, right? It's a bear. Have you guys ever let your territory markers get so low, and when you come back, you think it's a stranger wolf, but it turns out to be a freaking bear? That's literally what I think. I think every time when I come back, there's gonna be a stranger wolf, because my territory markers are quite low, or really low, and so that means stranger wolf's gonna come in and try to steal my puppies. But no freaking stranger wolf. Is a freaking don't worry. Puppies, let's play. Must get pack affinity up. I'm such a bad parent. 2 look like me, and 2 are goldenish. Golden. Yay, they all want to play with that. But Mom, I forgot I was a female. Maybe it's a female, and I'm a female in my outfit. Nobody want to play. Nobody? Finally. Okay, so goodbye, guys. Bye.